So that 20 looks good. 22, 18, 21, 26. What's that? Let me see. 26 out of 20. 20 or 25? Oh, out of 25? Okay, yeah, that's good. Let me see. 6 out of 25. Wait, that's 24. So it's out of 20? Yeah. So they're at the true value is 20. So 26 out of 20 is 1.3. That's actually too high. Because the control limit is we have to do report designer, manual integrations. So here you click whichever sample and analyte you want, and then they'll populate it here. You fill out this form. Usually it's this one. I think this is automatically populated. I think most of this is automatically populated. Let's try it. Did we do any manual integrations?
I don't see you did some manual integration for this. I don't see that. You tried to do, but you change to the internal standard?
No, changing the internal standard isn't a manual integration.
Yeah. I mean, we wanted to do the manual integration, but then you first change the internal standard and then fix it. So you no needed to do that.
I think some of these. Okay, yeah.
You did some?
I did some before I came and got you, just to see how it was.
Okay. So when you have one, you copy paste there, or how it's work for pass to the
we'll
report.
Do it. So I'm gonna undo my manual integration. Okay. Save. Alright, so it's passing. Why did I manually enter?
I don't know.
I also don't know. Okay.
Maybe
okay, this one needed it.
Okay.
Okay. So Emerald 6, the TBT analyte.
Okay, what happened? TBT, it's
it's actually still confirmed too, but it looks really ugly. Okay, let me find one that actually doesn't pass. I think this one. I think actually this passes too. Interesting. Okay, this one maybe. Oh my gosh, they all pass.
25.22 also
no,
pass.
I'm looking at this.
And you're looking at TBT.
Manually integrate this? Nope, that's fine. Not. Okay, I don't think I manually. Okay, processing, remove. Okay. There we go. MRL5. The analytes that we care about are the surrogate, TPRT, and TBT. So we see that this TBT is not confirmed, but we know it's in there.
Yeah.
Because that's what we spiked. So it should be confirming. We realize that this is the reason it's not confirming, because this peak looks bad. So I guess first thing we do is we manually integrate it. I delete all the peaks and then just draw from baseline to baseline, and then it updates, and now it's confirming.
Confirm.
So that shows me that it should be manually integrated. So I undid it because we have to document that we're manually integrating it. So first we start with the original, and then we do report designer, click on manual integrations, and then let's see, Emerald 5, that's the one we're doing, TBT, instrument method, processing method, injection date. Okay, it looks like all of this automatically filled. The only thing we have to do is change this one, and it's listed all right here. So
Okay.
the issue we have here is maybe M3, because that's a bad baseline.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll leave it as M3.
Okay.
And then let's click the Chromeleon guy, and then print. Print as a PDF? Is that what I want? I believe I want a PDF. Please reload pressing F5 because it has changed. Oh yes. Okay, well, I need to refresh because we updated the sequence. So this needs to be refreshed, I guess. It said press F5. Okay. So now this got added. But, that should fix it. Prints PDF.
Okay. That is the original.
This is the original. Let's do P14053 MRL 5 TBT 4.
Okay.
Okay, go back to the data processing, and let's do the manual integrations. Click on it,
And
click
click
processing,
click the little pics. And you don't need to do, just click with the mouse and that's appeared. You don't need to click in manual integration, nothing. No, just remove pic and then click with your...
It starts out as insert peak. If you clicked one of these, then it'll do that. So it's not working because I clicked up there. So if it's not working, then you gotta make sure this one's insert peak.
It's
for drawing that line. Usually it's already selected.
Okay.
But yeah, there's other types like edit baseline if you didn't delete the baseline. So you could also do edit baseline. So whatever's selected here is what it starts with. And then that lets you do this to the baseline. But I like to just delete everything there
and start.
Just insert a proper peak.
And it's appear in the other here and here.
Nope, only this one says manually.
You do this and then the others, because you did delete they'll remove
No. Yeah. So
remove
just
all.
make sure you click the box that you want to delete peaks from. So that, like, if I go here and delete all peaks, it only deletes
only
it.
deletes. Okay.
And then you can just undo that.
I thought it's deleting all.
No, because
Just
like
in the
there's
choose
several peaks.
one.
So that's what delete all peaks means.
Oh.
You could like click
In
this tiny peak and then just delete that peak.
Okay.
So
Then
these are all
after that,
fine. There's no manual integrations on these two. This one has the manual integration.
it's save
Save.
and
The
then
manual integration looks
confirm.
good. It's confirmed.
confirm. Then go to
let's
save and
Okay. Report
report
designer.
designer.
You have to make sure manual integration.
What were you going? You went to report designer and then
I clicked manual integration.
Okay.
So this is the afterwards, right? You see the manual integration here.
Yeah.
And then just leave all this the same. Okay.
Yeah. Then go
front.
and save
Yep.
as PDF. Or you did print and then
Yeah, print, and then I did print to PDF.
and it's goes to somewhere file folder. Or
Let's see. So I did
Print,
print,
and then
for
and it
printer,
says
I select print to PDF.
PDF and okay.
And
And
then
where
when
is
you click
go?
OK, it'll save wherever you
Document?
save it. So right now it's set to
These
documents, but
and then you could and put in your file.
we put it in
Where
our
you need
flash
it.
drive. Yeah, because this one's not connected to
Oh,
the
it's
network.
not connected. Okay, I got it. Okay.
All right. I think that's all the manual integrations we need. Back to the data.
If you have more, you need to repeat the same for each image.
Yeah. So like this one, I mean, you could manually integrate it. You probably should, but
It's confirmed.
it's already confirmed. So kinda, I mean, you should do it,
But
but yeah.
more time. More.
So this one actually looks fine, and it confirms, so it's fine.
Okay.
I mean, you probably should, but I have a lot to do, so
It's a lot of stuff.
it's really not that difficult. Like, just print the before, do the integration, print the after.
Yeah.
Okay.
So after manual integration,
So we also need the data sheets. So assuming everything is done, we can close this. We want
Chromeleon.
we want all the samples that we want. Right click.
Sport.
Okay.
All analyze report.
This, I am unsure. I think we need Let's start with all analyte report. And then this is the destination. I don't know. I'm just gonna put it in. No. Where should we put it? 2023. This looks good. But that doesn't look good. There's only two. Let's try this one. Okay, this looks good. Good. 10, 31, 23, 10, study.
Just one quick question.
Yes. Okay.
So,
I believe we want this one. Chromeleon data file format. And maybe also this one.
Excel.
So let's do that.
Excel.
Okay, so we don't want Excel. My mistake. So let's select everything in the batch. Export. All analytes, MS quantitation. Where are we at? What's in data 2023? And then let's not do that and do this.
Chromeleon. Already X6, yes.
Okay.
Then,
Let's go take a look. What's the data? 23. This one. Oh my gosh. Let's see how they did it.
All
Okay,
in
so
Excel.
they did do Excel,
okay, good.
but why did
Then-
it not work? Okay, let's try this again. Right click, export. It might be MS report. Let's leave it for now. Huh.
Okay.
Okay. I
Analysis.
think we don't need this actually. Just this one.
Just this.
Let me see. Let me look at the old ones. Okay, they got
Chromatogram, ST, peak analysis, and integration. It's for stuff.
Alright, so let's try this again.
It's
Okay. So MS report. Make sure that's MS quantitation, and then just select the file. You don't need to change.
it's already set.
I believe that should do it.
Yeah, it should. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, exactly
Okay.
that you need.
So now we need to run the macro.
What file do you use for the macro? I mean, you need to do in different computer. It has limbs.
You don't need limbs to generate the data sheet. You do need limbs for the entry. So yeah, I
When
think
you
right
finish-
now we could move to another computer.
Because
I think that'd be easiest. Because I don't know where that macro is on this computer.
yeah, for this step you don't need limbs, but for allow to limbs you need limbs, right?
Yeah.
So until now you don't need to process any more stuff here in the OTIN for this batch.
We will at the end, because the final report. Let me see if I can find one. We'll eventually need to transfer the tune report over to the Y drive. The manual integrations over to the Y drive. Yeah, I don't know how they do
And the
that.
evaluation,
Oh, here. What's in
and
report?
also the
Yeah, and then we also need all the raw data. That's eventually going to go into our final report. Okay. Do you have a flash drive?